Alright, so it's been an exciting day on Ribblr today. First of all, I got an email from Ribblr saying that the Easter Bunny pattern that was just released is going to be featured. So that was very exciting. I pop on to Ribblr and then what else do we see? Easter competition. Making eggs. I need to be making some Easter eggs because why not? So I now have until April 1st to make an Easter egg. And I'm going to try and do the crochet one and the knit one because I am a sucker for punishment and I'm going to try and make them. I have an idea in my head. Anyway, we're going to go with that. So here's what I found on Ribblr. So here we are on Ribblr, very exciting at Easter. There's my wee bunny. Let's click him first because I was quite excited to actually have the bunny featured on Ribblr because I don't have too many patterns over there yet. There's a couple. If you message me, I will send you this pattern for free. Otherwise, it's just there as a cheap one. Now, if we scroll down a little bit further, this is what I found towards the bottom. Here we've got the Ribblr pattern for some Easter eggs. Now, when we opened it, there was something that really got my attention. Do I want to win purple crocs? Yes, I do want to win purple crocs. There's two patterns. One's for crochet and one's for knit. Because I've been knitting for my entire life, and now I'm a crocheter now. I figured I'd do both. So I started the knit ones, and that worked up really quite quickly. The knit one's done flat rather than in the round, which did make it a lot easier. And what I thought I'd do with this is I'd make it Pokemon egg themed because I'm hilarious. So I finished it, and then I just used a duplicate set-to-stitch technique to put in the little dots and the circles around the eggy, which was cool. Then I started my crochet one, and I didn't know quite what I was going to do with the crochet one. And then I realised, actually, a couple of stripes would be cool. So I added in some stripes part way up. There's about 10 rows of straight single crochet, so I made some of them red, which was cool. And then I sewed them together and stuffed them, and these are my little Easter eggies. So now I've got to enter them in the competition.